So I'm here today to give a garden update and show you a little bit what it looks like now. So I had to replant the corn and melons and watermelon, and they are coming up along with all the grass, of course. But there's the row of the corn. Now the wind is so hard, blowing so hard, that it is blowing. There's a squash. It's blowing my squash over. Something's eating that one. This one actually blew over. You see how all the leaves are all that direction? The wind's coming from my back, that direction. So I had to dig the ground up and settle that thing back in the ground. Put a stake in. I have to do the same thing for this one because it's falling over. Set it up like that with a stake, hopefully. So I've gotten these PVC pipes and cut them up about 22 inches long, and I'm going to use them to stake these. Yeah, see that squash? I broke the stem on the squash when it fell over, but it's ready to pick anyway. Alright, so I'm going to take this, and most of it's still in the ground, so I just want to stake it so I don't fall over. Try not to hit any roots. Like so, and that's gonna hold it. We got cucumbers under the zucchini. Now here's the tomato plants. We got something ate that one. Rabbit or a deer, I'm gonna have to find out. Look at the beans. The beans keep producing. It's awesome. We even have okra if the ants don't get to them first. A little bitty one right there. We'll leave it. Let it grow a little more. Look, another one. We'll take that one. So it uses 7 dust. It used to be called 7 dust. It's just called 7. Garden Tech 7 for insect repellent. So I'll just take this cup and I'll go around the plants like so. Try to keep the bugs off. You see something got my tomato plant here. Ate all the leaves off, probably a rabbit. These bugs here you find on the tomato plants. You'll first see them as a larva, and we've coated them in the 7 dust. Try to take care of them, but they've got some of the plants. Alright, go ahead and pick them.
Okay, I picked mine.
You got hit in the head by a cicada. Alright, you carefully pick the cucumbers here. Be careful not to break the vine.
I found a big one. I'll put this one in the bucket, Dad. I'll put this one in the bucket.
Yeah.
Daddy, put one in the bucket.
Yeah.
Got one. Is there any more on this one?
One right there, you're gonna pick that one.
You get the other one over here.
Make sure not to break the vine. Like
That's
this, and snap the vine so this is gonna have a lot more cucumbers on it.
Got one.
Ain't no. There you go. Here's what we got today. Look at that.
And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yep.
9.
Good job.
We got 2 more.
Cool.
Put it in the bucket.
Hey everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe, and y'all have a blessed Independence Day. Wave the camera. Wave the camera, Katie.